This video is mainly for myself because every 6 months I struggle with putting all these little adapters back together when I buy these wipers. I'm trying these for the first time. These are the truck SUV ones, probably exactly the same thing as the regular ones, but like $1 or $2 more. But either way. Well, yeah, every time I buy these wipers, I look at these directions and I'm confused. So I just figured it out for that wiper. Forgive the janky hood for the moment. But the first step is, if you've got a GMC, Chevy, whatever, and you buy these Duralast wipers, I think these are AutoZone, is you got to first take off this clip. There's two little snappy things down in there. I was able to kind of squeeze them with my right hand and then push those little clips through, and then this comes out like that. For the GM and Chevy, basically you put this little clip on where you took that one off. It's right in there. And same thing, these two little clips go into those two little holes. So just envision my right hand being on the opposite side of my left hand. Push down with both thumbs so it snaps into place. There's two different types that came with this wiper. One is a solid one there, and the other one's this one here, which is a little bit holier, I should say. You basically slide this down on the there's a little round part in there, goes right in that groove. So you hear a click. And then it just snaps right in, slides right in. All right, so I got cramped quarters. I couldn't get over to that one. So really all you do is just basically slide it right into there. But anyways, the main point of the video was what adapters to use. So it's those two that I showed, and not any of these. You can throw all those away.